Can a DUI, driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, impact your citizenship application? Watch this video and I'll tell you more. Hey everybody, my name is Jacob Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. All we do is immigration law. If you're here for the first time, make sure you click that bell to be notified of new videos that we release every single week. Subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram and TikTok, where we create more videos for your enjoyment and benefit. This is a video that I feel like I should have done months ago, but we get these questions all the time and I see it at immigration citizenship interviews. So the question is, can a DUI, driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol, have an impact on your citizenship? Meaning, can you still get your citizenship if you have a DUI on your record? First of all, a DUI in every state in the US, because remember, immigration is a federal law. It's pretty much the same in every single state. But criminal law, which falls, DUI falls under criminal, is different from state to state. But I can tell you that having a DUI on your record will pretty much have an impact on your citizenship no matter in what state you reside. And the reason is because one of the requirements of citizenship is good moral character. So in addition to being of age, having the residency requirements, we've done videos, and we can link one of our citizenship videos right here in the description of the video. Among other of the requirements, aside from age and continuous residency, one of the most important one is good moral character. And what that means is that one of the things that the officer is looking for is that you're a person of good moral character. What that means is that you have nothing on your record that can impact that moral character in the 5 years before you apply for your citizenship. So they're going back 5 years. And so typically when you get a DUI, so let's say you're applying for citizenship in 2020 and you had a DUI in 2018. So if you go back 5 years, 2018 is too early. And when they see that you had a DUI, in most cases, you're not going to be able to get your citizenship, and they're either going to deny the case or allow you to withdraw your application. Now, what usually happens in DUI cases is that not only you have to pay the fine and it stays on your record, but also most of the DUI cases come with a probation period of 3 to 5 years. And as long as you have probation, you are not allowed to apply for citizenship. So that's another thing that we have to look at when we analyze criminal records of clients that have a DUI or any other criminal issue in that same manner. If you have a DUI in the 5-year period before you apply for citizenship, you're not going to be able to apply for citizenship. It will make you ineligible for citizenship. Now, if you wait the 5 years and you're now outside of probation and you only had one DUI, then you can reapply for your citizenship and then you should be okay. What is really important to be careful is multiple convictions. 2 or 3 DUIs, a DUI and another misdemeanor. Sometimes a combination of multiple misdemeanors can amount to a felony. And if you have a felony, it's a much more serious criminal conviction and issue, and you have to consult with an experienced immigration attorney to determine whether having a felony will impact and how it will impact your citizenship, if you can apply for it ever at all, and what you have to do in a post-conviction relief to be able to qualify for citizenship. But in this video, we're talking about one DUI, and as long as it's outside of the 5-year moral character period, you should be able to apply for one. So hopefully this video was useful and beneficial. Once again, subscribe to our channel. We release videos every week. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and we'll see you in our next video.